Hi guys, it's Jennifer from Rosen Nissan. You might see me sitting in the waiting area or talking with customers or out in the service drive. I wanted to mention to you that when you come for your service, you should double check to see if you're a Nissan one-to-one rewards member. Basically what that means is we have a rewards program for our customers that come through the service department. You earn a percentage back on the dollar you spend. That money accumulates in your email account and you get to use that towards future services, parts, that sort of thing. So take advantage of that program. You may not know if you're a member. I can double check that for you. If you're not, I can help you sign up for that. Start earning those reward points for being a loyal service customer here at Rosen Nissan, and use that money to discount future services and such. And did you know that Rosen Nissan has an app for that? I can help you download that when you're here. Let me know. I offer you some free bottled water, coffee, snacks, and we can take care of that rewards program.